here it is. And there's the ocean. And there's a pretty rainbow. And there's Tanaka's. She's down there. This is it. Straight ahead is the bathroom. And that creepy room under the stairs. Very nice. Every old house should have that. And the cool tiling. And security bar. That's all the garbage they're taking out. The next little room. And the end room. Listen, I'm not a professional, okay, so this video is just gonna have to be as good as it is.
Hey, Sina.
Hi, Bo.
What the heck is that? Where's the water? Shut the water.
And upstairs.
Oh my God.
There's a nice big upstairs room. Oh, and this. That goes to the attic. Way up. Ew. I mean, yay. It's big up here. And got big windows. This is the end room. If we do decide to move in, this will be my room, I think, because it's got this awesome little end room on its own. Very nice. Of course, the main reason I like it is because it has view outside. There's the rainbow again. And there's the ocean again. Pretty rainbow. Street. So that pretty much concludes the tour of the building.